Sri Ram Avatar Ji has a great contribution on the front of social causes. His passionate nature and vision has contributed to the upliftment of the rural poor. From being the founder of Swadeshi and along with related companies and knowns, he has managed to set up excellent educational and healthcare facilities in rural areas. Apart from leading the country's infrastructure sector, Swadeshi CIPL, under the leadership of Mr. Ram Avatar Ji, takes its social responsibility very seriously. Mr. Ram Avatar Ji strongly believes in the fact that the conscious efforts of individuals can have a great positive impact on all aspects of society, including economic, social, and environmental. He takes every possible step to ensure that his company operates in a way that enhances society on the whole, rather than simply maximizing profits. His thoughtful and practical approach towards generously returning to society reflects in our CSR policy. We are highly invested in making our society a better place for everyone. As such, we pay great attention to upgrading our country's health and educational facilities. We have employed our expertise in developing schools and hospitals. These charitable facilities have been developed particularly in rural sections to offer maximum benefit. Mr. Ram Avatar Ji set up a prestigious CBSE affiliated educational institute by the name of Sri Dronacharya Ramesh Chand Vidyavati Senior Secondary Convent School in Dhankor. We undertook the construction of the school building and special attention being given on labs for physics, chemistry, bio, maths, and computer, along with facilities for sports and yoga, art and craft, music.
Shri Dronacharya Ramesh Chand Vidyavati Convent School is guided by Shri Ramesh Chand Vidyavati Tambakuwale Charitable Trust, New Delhi. It has been started by a great visionary, Shri Ram Avatar Ji. His continuous support and help made us SDRV family. On 3rd July 2009, the foundation was laid. It has been 12 glorious years that it started. Now we have 1260 students and 50 plus dedicated staff. We are working very hard to complete and fulfill the dream of Shri Ram Avatar Ji. Thank you.
Educational facilities running under the company provide education with the lowest fee structure among GB Nagar CBSE schools. We offer free uniforms to students. Besides, we also support students on a merit basis. We provide laptops, tabs, mobiles, scientific calculators to toppers of 10th and 12th standards.
I'm Kanika Goyal, student of SJRP Convent School. I secured 98% in class 10 boards. Well, this was not an easy task, but my family, my teachers, my school and my friends helped me a lot to achieve this task. Anyone can achieve this target under the right guidance of their teachers. To motivate other students, our school also gives attractive prizes to toppers. I also got a laptop and a smartphone. I owe my special gratitude towards our respected management who create a learning environment and motivate us to soar high. Thank you.
We also offer scholarships to deserving students. Not only that, we ensure free education of around 50 students every year. We increased our efforts during the COVID-19 pandemic to ensure the smooth operation of online classes. We distributed laptops to teachers and mobile phones to less privileged students. Fee waiver was also done during the pandemic due to COVID-19. Along with that, water bottles were also distributed. Besides, we have set up a computer lab with a facility of more than 20 latest desktops for a Sanskrit school named Gurukul at Gautam Nagar, New Delhi. Swadeshi CIPL also invests hugely in upgrading medical facilities, especially in rural areas that lack even the basic healthcare. In 2009, Sri Ram Avatar Ji contributed in setting up Baba Sukhamal Dalchand Nambardar Hospital, along with Ramesh Chand Vidyavati OPD and Diagnostic Center at Dankor. It's a fully air-conditioned, specialized hospital on a no-profit, no-loss basis. The hospital is a fully functional, charitable facility that solely caters to the requirements of over 125 villages. It offers round-the-clock services for the benefit of locals who had to travel to Noida or Greater Noida for their healthcare needs. The hospital is fully equipped with specialized facilities like OT and test labs, along with OPD, IPD, medical store, ambulance, physiotherapy center. The hospital is also capable of taking care of specialized operations, including cesarean and bone operations. This hospital is equipped with facilities like CR machines, ultrasound, NICU, nursery, and mini ventilators for newborns. Recently, we have also added oxygen concentrators in medical facilities. We take every possible step in ensuring that healthcare facilities are approachable for everyone. For this, we make sure that fees are kept to a minimal amount. Besides, we provide over and above discounts in the treatment and medication to BPL patients. All these efforts were increased hugely during the pandemic. We organized Thanksgiving for Corona Warriors and we distributed free Corona kits which included oximeter and medicines. Apart from developing healthcare and educational facilities, Swadeshi CIPL hugely invests in various philanthropic activities from time to time. We have worked extensively towards providing distress relief caused by natural calamities like Nepal's earthquake. Our endless list of public welfare activities also include contribution of clothes and ration to various charitable organizations like Vrindavan's Ashram, Earth Savior Foundation, an NGO working for orphans, aged and disabled people. We fulfill our CSR responsibilities with utmost sincerity and dedication and keeping it our highest priority.